Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best welding helmets. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, the Lincoln Electric Viking 3350. Let's see what's inside. Matte black finish, extra large lens, looks seriously professional. First impression, feels solid, not too heavy. Premium build. Check out this massive 12.5-inch auto darkening viewing area. The 4C lens technology, industry-leading clarity, no color distortion. Let's try it on. Adjusting the X6 headgear is super smooth. Rotatable padded headband and cushioned back pad. Feels incredibly comfortable. Fits my head perfectly, even with a hat. Ratchet knob is easy. Switching weld grind modes is quick and intuitive. Wearing it, the optical clarity is unreal. No blurriness at all. Wide view means I see everything. More control and safety. No pressure points. Balanced weight, could wear this all day. Perfect for pros, industrial work, or serious DIY projects. 5-year hassle-free warranty. Peace of mind included. If you want the best welding helmet, this is it. Check the link below to level up your welding game. Number 4, ARCCAPTAIN Welding Helmet Auto Darkening. Dim workshop, sparks fly, tension fills the air. A welder pauses, rubbing neck, eyes squinting in discomfort. He glances at his old helmet, frustration mounting. Suddenly, a sleek ARCCAPTAIN welding helmet catches his eye. Curious, he lifts it, feeling its lightweight build. He slides it on, headgear adjusts perfectly, padding comforts him. He flips his visor, a vivid, true color world appears. The large viewing screen reveals every detail, every spark. He starts welding. Auto darkening lens adapts instantly, no delay. 4 arc sensors respond, protecting his eyes from glare. No more squinting. Continuous UV IR protection keeps him safe. Hours pass, neck strain gone, helmet remains cool and light. He finishes inspecting flawless welds with pride and clarity. He smiles, knowing durability and eco-power support every project. If you demand comfort, safety, and precision, choose ARCCAPTAIN. Transform your welding experience. Get yours today. Number 3, WR01A Welding Helmet Auto Darkening. Meet the Walker WR01A Welding Helmet, your new welding wingman. See clearly with a 3.62 x 1.65 visor. No more welding peekaboo. Auto darkening in 125,000 seconds. Faster than you can blink. True color tech, because welding in HD is just better. Protects face and neck like armor, but way more stylish. Lightweight at 18.30 Z. Less neck workout, more welding. Adjustable headgear, fits like your favorite hat, but safer. Shade range DIN 4 913. Pick your darkness like a welding ninja. Sensitivity and delay settings. Customize it like your morning coffee. Bright to dark in 0.1s to 1.0s. No drama, just instant protection. Solar powered with battery backup. Charges while you chill. Built-in LED light. See your work even in welding caves. Patriotic eagle design. Weld like a hero. Look like one too. Perfect for pros, DIYers, and anyone who sparks joy. Walker WR01A. Welding is safety, comfort, and style in one helmet. Upgrade your weld game because your eyes deserve a standing ovation. Number 2, YESWELDER Large View Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Dim workshop, sparks fly, my eyes strain, fatigue grows. Long hours welding, blue light threatens my vision daily. I remember last week, blurry sight halted my project. Determined, I search for a helmet that truly protects. YESWELDER Large View Helmet catches my attention instantly. Blue light blocking lens promises advanced eye comfort, safety. I slip it on. Wide shade range covers every welding need. True color view reveals vibrant, clear welds. No eye strain. 4 arc sensors react fast. Auto darkening in 130,000 seconds. Solar powered, battery backup, eco-friendly, and always reliable. Pivoting headgear, breathable padding, neck strain disappears, comfort remains. Reinforced PP materials withstand tough jobs, never let me down. Now I weld longer, safer, with confidence and clarity. Protect your vision, choose YESWELDER for unmatched safety and performance. Upgrade your welding experience. Try YESWELDER today. Number 1, TOOLIOM Flip-Up Welding Helmet. Tired of lifting your helmet for every adjustment? Meet the TOOLIOM flip-up welding helmet, efficiency redefined. Imagine switching from welding to grinding in seconds. No need to remove your helmet, just flip up the lens. True color technology delivers crystal clear vision. See every detail with a 3.64 x 1.66 inch viewing area. Auto darkening filter reacts in just 0.004 seconds. Instant eye protection, no more squinting or delays. 1111 optical class ensures top-tier clarity and safety. Multiple adjustment joints for a perfect, comfortable fit. Ergonomic headgear with soft padding reduces fatigue. Includes extra clamshell, outer and inner protector lenses. Ideal for pros, industrial workers, and passionate DIYers. Upgrade your welding experience. Work smarter, not harder. Choose TOOLIOM for safety, comfort, and unmatched efficiency. Ready to weld better? Get your TOOLIOM flip-up helmet today! All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching!